Hey guys, Shad Mercury here from Mercury Family Vlogs. Today I'm going to do a quick video of Vermont Medical Sleep Disorder Center here in Essex Junction, Vermont on 139 Pearl Street. Building is for sale. I'll link the listing in the description below. Do a quick walk around here. See, Vermont Medical Sleep Disorder Center, Sleep Apnea Treatment Clinic, CPAP Supply Replenishment Program, and it's for sale. Call J.L. Davis Realty at 802-316-5049. And we'll do this helped out. The Pocket family is my family. We're friends. Here's the listing for them. Can't show you the inside because the building is locked, but I figured nice trap, easy road to get to, right next to a nice automotive center. Well, you know, for oil changes and exhaust and brakes. Owned by the Black family. It's not a bad place. You know, if you're in a pinch and you need to get your brakes and exhaust done, oil changes, tune-ups. I like that there's no appointments needed, but anyways, it's lovely.